Come on, emergency alert, I'm ready for you. Come on. Oh no, yeah, better not wake Tim up, emergency alert. I'm filming it.
Right.
I've got my cup of tea ready. Owen's got coffee. Police will be round. You're supposed to have tea.
Oh God. Oh no.
Maybe they'll let you off because you grew up in Belgium.
They might deport me.
It might make it even worse, actually.
Yeah. Well, yeah, current climate.
Look. UK police, he's drinking coffee. And I've run out of memory now. Oh, is this it? It must be the other phone.